Hello, my name is Jerry Garrettson, Tabea Law. I'm going to go ahead and talk about removal today. I'm going to try to make it shorter. I've been going long the last couple of sessions. Let me go ahead and read this first. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind, whose seed is in itself upon the earth." And it was so. In the old days, under the INS, immigration, um, naturalization services, that's pre 9/11. Remember, after 9/11, what we did is we completely changed our structure for immigration and the say the Homeland Security scenario for our country. So we got rid of the old INS and brought in DHS, the Department of Homeland Security, and under that you have the USCIS, United States Citizenship, Immigration Service, and then you have the Customs and Borders Patrol. But so under this new regime, there's technically no more deportation. The new term is removal. Okay, so it is what it is. So technically, when a foreigner, an alien, is in the old days deported, today they're removed from this country. So the first item that happens is generally the alien will get a NTA, notice to appear. And for attorneys, the key is to take a look at that, but also the charging documents, and really go into detail of what your client is being charged with, and oftentimes there are issues. There's wrong. There's misspellings. There's they're being charged with wrong things. So on a technical basis, the NTA could be delayed or even thrown out, or the charging document. And so that's the number one thing. And there are ways to get around removal, and that's where the attorney comes in. In immigration law, of course, this would be federal criminal law. The immigration attorney can come in and represent, and you're dealing with a separate body of law than from your traditional state criminal law. So I think I want to leave it there today. Suffice it to say that when we think of immigration law, we're thinking family-based, we're thinking employment-based, we're thinking of asylum, but removal law is part of that. It's and even I mean, we think oftentimes of folks just coming over the border illegally, or entry without inspection, EWI, and that's our first. That's what we hear a lot about, and the idea of, well, how come they're not deported or removed immediately? And that's just not the policy we have here. And they're given an NTA and they stay here in the country, and oftentimes they don't even show up for court. And that's a whole different issue and talk. But those that are that do show up and that are looking to go about things the right way, that's where removal law comes in. But it's a large body of law, and we do see this takes up a big portion of what immigration attorneys do. All right, thank you so much. We'll talk to you guys next time.